Excel says your spreadsheet is corrupt. Don't close the window yet. Microsoft actually hid a repair tool inside the Open menu. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's run that hidden tool right now. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single XLSX file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. An XLSX file is a spreadsheet created by Microsoft Excel, a widely used application for data analysis, charting, and calculations. It is the default file format for modern versions of Excel, replacing the older XLS format. The user's internal database specifically defines it as XLSX, reinforcing its primary association with Excel spreadsheets. The XLSX file format is based on the Office Open XML standard, which uses a combination of XML files and zip compression to store spreadsheet data, formulas, formatting, and other elements. This structure allows for efficient storage and improved data recovery compared to older formats. It supports a large number of rows and columns, as well as advanced features like macros and data validation. The core association for the XLSX file points directly to Microsoft Excel, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows may show the file, but cannot process its internal logic, requiring Office tools for full use. Open the menu by right-clicking your XLSX file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft Excel first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If the XLSX file is still giving you trouble, relax. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, use Open and Repair. Open Excel, go to File, Open. Select the file, click the drop-down arrow next to Open, and choose Open and Repair. Next, check File Sync Extension. Ensure the file ends exactly in .xlsx. If from the cloud, sign out and back in to force a resync. Finally, open in safe mode. Press Windows+R, type XLXE, which is safe, and try opening the file from within Excel to rule out problematic add-ins. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.